cut off the water somewhere here and put it on the other side of the road.
Okay.
So it doesn't go on the road and deteriorate it every time it rains.
If we keep it like that, it's going to destroy the road, right?
Yeah.
And then we have topping coming in a few days. But if we have the big dent like that, and then the topping is just not going to be even. Because down there, that's where the digger got stuck in the end, right? So you do the ditch, I do the road. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Got a plan? That little cart is so cool. We have fishing bait. Let's find a stick for you. Mason, are you ready? Get ready. 1, 2, 3. He's like Bambi when he jumps. But he's blind as a bat. So where the shovel is, and then all the way where you're at. Is that it?
We go a bit up there.
Yeah.
And then cross over here.
Okay, Mason. What kind of trouble are you gonna get in now? See, when you were talking French train, I thought you meant all along the road.
I couldn't do it all the way through.
Yeah. But that's much better like this.
I hope so.
Yeah. It's about time efficiency, cost efficiency, and results. These cows are massive. Well, are you happy with your day?
I am.
Good stuff.
Tired in the back, but that's about it.
Yay. Alrighty guys, my plan for today is just to empty the water tank and try to see what's on there. Have we had the time to do this so far?
I think it's a lot done.
Oh, Nathan's helping.
He's always helping.
Are you helping, Yashku? He's so kind. So kind. Yeah? Yeah. Thank you. Oh, it's fine. And look how well it goes.
Oh, yeah. Huh. Ebola. Ebola.
It's getting cold. Oh,
It's a hard day.